Okay, so everyone has 2 to 3 layers of natural lashes, so I'm going to draw those out for you. So this is their eyelid, your client, and that is if you were to look at them from the side. That's the angle that I'm going for. So we have our bottom layer, we have our middle layer, and we have our top layer of lash. So we're going to say that this client has 3 layers of natural lashes. So with that, I'm going to put a 12 millimeter on that one, an 11 millimeter on this one, and a 10 millimeter on this one. So this is the style that I would do if I was lashing them. And it doesn't matter, you don't have to do like the top layer first and then the middle or the bottom. You can go in any order that you would like. And once you start looking and distinguishing between the layers, like which are the top and which are the bottom, you'll really realize that it is pretty easy to determine which they are. It's pretty self-explanatory. Your bottom layer will be on the bottom, there will be one on top, and probably one more on top. Some people only have 2 layers, some people may have up to 4. That's not very common, but it is possible. So I'm going to draw out my map now, so in a closed eye version. So this is I'll draw the iPad. So this is our iPad. Our person's eye is closed, and I will show you how I would map that out. I'm going to show you what I will put on the bottom layer for the whole eye. So I'm going to start on the inside near her nose. I'm going to start with an 8, and this will be the longest lengths that we are using. These will go on the bottom layer, and these will give a nice dark bold look once we get these all layered. So that is the bottom layer of lashes. This will be the middle. We're going to gradually get shorter, okay? For this technique, I don't want to skip lengths in between. For other techniques you can, and you may be doing that, but for the look that I want to create, I'm not going to do that. So on the last layer, that will be our red color. And that will be our shortest length. On the inside of the eye, I always say never to use something longer than 8 millimeter. So I have an 8 on my very bottom layer, a 7 on my middle layer, and a 6 on the very top layer. And then 9, 8, and 7 for that next section. And you can section this according to their eye shape or the desired look that you're going for. This is just an example of how I would layer them. And this look will create a very dark, bold eyeliner look. And it can sometimes look a little textured. You know, it won't look like a straight uniformed set. It'll be very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed the tips that I shared, we also provide in-person and online trainings. We provide trainings in person around the nation, and I have handpicked these trainers to help provide you with the best knowledge to jumpstart your career. Don't forget to visit our website, EBLLashes.com, and find us on Instagram and Facebook. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.